All right, if you have a Whirlpool oven, this particular one is a Gold Series, and it's baking and you want to force it off, you're done cooking and you don't want to wait for the timer. So to force it off, it's fairly simple to do. Now this particular one is a dual oven. The smaller one, of course, is on top. And so you got two rows here. This is the top one that's on, and then the bottom one. So the only thing you have to do is locate, this is the top one here, top oven. You just hit cancel once, and that's it. All right, and that's how you turn it off. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.